Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Palantir stock, and let's do the price action on this thing. So we have quite a deep sell-off today on the candle going red over here. Is the structure now to the downside? Are we gonna just keep heading lower and lower and lower, and all hopes and dreams of taking Palantir to all-time highs have just vanished as they just disappeared? So let's talk about all of that in this video, but before that I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So what are we seeing? Well, so right up from here, as if you have seen my videos on Palantir, that we have been in the bullish structure. And even when we, so yeah, that was a leg up. And then even over here, we were still holding this level of $22.91, and we remained still bullish on Palantir. Then we got this next leg up, and we went high and high up above to our next levels, right? Now, yes, there's a couple of things here. So the first one, on the overall structure, this is more than just a pullback at this point. This is the level it all comes down to, $23.96. If Palantir would have just lost $25.49, yes, that was an intraday cool off, short play, whatever. But if it would have stayed above and tried to close above, well, market hasn't closed yet, but if the market closes above on Palantir, $23.96, things may still remain in the overall bullish structure. However, if we stay below $23.96, the bullish structure would not be there, but at the same time, the structure would not be fully bearish. So this is the thing. This level of area of $22.92 to almost $23.96 is an area where you should avoid trading swing positions. This is not the area that you want to go swing short. You may trade intraday short or intraday long. We'll talk about those things in just a second on hourly interval. But this is not the area to trade any swing position, not even long, not even short, the area between $22.94 to $23.94. So what is the play from here on Palantir? If Palantir, well, actually, let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about over there. Right. So, but guys, one more thing I want to actually mark. Well, no, I think I have that blue box there, right? So I think that would be here. Let me bring it closer actually on hourly interval so that we can talk about that. All right. And I gotta adjust real quick something on my indicator, and let's do the intraday depth levels depth low. Here we go. All right, so yeah, now what is the thing? Well, if any, at this point I would only suggest, if you want to trade Palantir, trade it intraday only. And what is that? Let's take a look at the bull case. From here, now it could be today or Monday, most likely it will be now next week, that is Monday. If Palantir gets above $23.96, there can be an intraday trade played all the way back up to $24.90. Again, there's no guarantee it's going to go all the way up in the same day, so you might want to see the price action on the time frames if it's forming double top somewhere, wicks are forming or things like that. But it does have a room. If we get above $23.96, again, it does have a room to go to $24.92. But on the ongoing intraday structure, that will still keep it bearish. There is chance that we might get another sell-off at $24.92. Intraday structure is turning bearish. Overall structure as well, the weakness is there on that as long as we are below $23.95. But so for the bulls, if we can get above $23.96, intraday play could be taken around in the direction to $24.90. And that's where I expect there might be another sell-off if it comes, if the price action shows the signs of weakness, like double top and consolidation, distribution forming or consolidations forming, and you start to see wicks and sell-off up there. So that's a possibility. And then we'll see if we come down lower and we find support at 200 hours moving average. That's the bull case. What is the bear case? Well, the bear case is that if we continue to reject below $23.95 and we continue lower, intraday short may continue at also maybe down to the level of $22.91. However, the reason I have this box as an indecisive range is also because even if Palantir doesn't go fully bullish here, below this blue box, it may go choppy. So we have to see if we finally fully break the things on Palantir to the downside or not, because below this blue box, I see there is a consolidation sitting, a good amount of support sitting with 20 and 50 days moving average, at least for now. So it's better to wait for the break off below the blue box levels to really to have that full swing shot on this, because structure, guys, overall structure, it's not right now bullish because we are below $23.97, but above that, but it's not even fully swing bearish here because we have this the support at 20 and 50 days moving average sitting down there. But what I would say is only it's again bullish only above $23.95 to the next levels. Could be the ones that, well, the levels that I showed you on hourly interval, and also possibly significant level $25.53 if it continues. And then we'll see where the pullback comes, and then if we continue to form a higher pivot from here on, then this may still continue higher. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that don't sit on swing short. Bulls can still turn it around, but intraday, as for the levels I provided you both on the hourly interval and on the daily interval, it can be traded at those places. So if a rebound comes, it can come all the way to almost close to $25, and that would again be an intraday next play on that could be short, and then we have to see if a higher pivot forms, and then we can see if the continuation happens to the upside. But that's how you would trade this structure on Palantir. All right, guys, so yeah, that's that. And intraday, yeah, it was pretty much weak once we lost that significant level of $25.48 around. That was the weakness that came in on this thing. Now, what else here? Yep, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't discount it though right now fully. I mean, it's not that, oh, it's now gonna go to $15. I'm not seeing any of that confirmation right now in the price action. If I'll see it, I'll talk about it. All right, well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. If you need access to my tools, the things that you see on my videos, links to my tools are in the description below. All right, bye.